Today I learned since 2020, white LED streetlights have been turning purple because of a defect during the manufacturing process between 2017 and 2019. The yellow phosphor coating was delaminating, and the blue LED began showing through, giving off a purplish glow. LED streetlights are a common sight on roads and highways across the world. They are energy efficient, long-lasting, and provide bright and clear lighting. However, in recent years, there have been reports of white LED streetlights turning purple. This phenomenon is caused by a defect in the manufacturing process that occurred between 2017 and 2019. The yellow phosphor coating, which is used to convert the blue light emitted by the LED into white light, was delaminating. This means that the coating was separating from the surface of the LED. As a result, the blue LED began showing through the coating, giving off a purplish glow. This effect is more noticeable at night when the streetlights are in use. The purple hue can be distracting and may affect the visibility of drivers and pedestrians. The defect was identified by manufacturers, and steps have been taken to address the issue. However, it may take some time for all affected streetlights to be replaced or repaired. In the meantime, drivers and pedestrians should exercise caution when using roads and walkways illuminated by LED streetlights that appear purple in color. Follow this channel for more Santa Explains. And if you have any questions I should answer, just write them down in the comments.